Are you looking to upgrade your ride with powerful, reliable, and stylish car accessories? Whether you're a weekend DIYer or car enthusiast, today's list has something just for you. From performance-enhancing tech to clever tools that simplify your driving life, here are 6 game-changing car accessories that are absolutely worth checking out. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6, Car Folding Table. This compact and multifunctional car folding table is the perfect companion for long drives, mobile work sessions, or in-car meals. It rotates 360 degrees, giving you complete flexibility whether you're in an SUV or a sedan. The sturdy design includes a built-in coffee stand, so your drink stays secure, even on rough roads. With a lightweight frame of just 1.7 kilograms and dimensions of 16 by 11 inches, it's easy to install, adjust, and stow away when not in use. Whether you're using it as a desk, snack tray, or cup holder, this table is designed for convenience without compromising comfort. The Rouleau A08 folding table redefines in-car utility in a sleek and user-friendly way. Number 5. LED Gear Knob. Now this is where function meets flair. The crystal universal gear shift knob transforms your interior with a stylish, glowing centerpiece. Number 4. Paint Thickness Tester. If you're buying a used car, detailing your vehicle, or just care about your paintwork, the Randon D TC100 Thickness Meter is a must-have. This tool delivers ultra-precise readings with 0.1 micrometers resolution, detecting both Fe ferrous and NFE non-ferrous surfaces automatically. The multicolor display is easy to read in all lighting conditions, and the auto power-off feature helps conserve battery life. With 5-foil calibration, you can ensure pinpoint accuracy every time. Whether you're a professional detailer or an everyday enthusiast, this tool gives you confidence when checking for hidden damage or paint quality. Number 3. Solar TPMS Monitor. Drive smarter with the eAce Solar TPMS Tire Pressure Monitor. This device uses solar power for charging, eliminating the need to plug into a cigarette lighter. It monitors both pressure and temperature in real time with alerts for high temperature, low pressure, leakage, and low battery. You can choose between built-in or external sensors. Built-in options offer greater stability and longevity, while external ones are easy to install and replace. With waterproof IP67 protection, support for extreme temperatures, and a colorful LCD display, this TPMS covers both safety and style. Number 2. HUD GPS Display. This HUD OBD2 plus GPS head-up display is one of the most advanced dashboards you can add to your car. With dual system compatibility, it displays everything from speed, fuel consumption, and voltage to turbine pressure, water temperature, and even altitude. Its 270 degrees rotatable screen and high-definition 240 by 240 resolution make it versatile for installation on the A-pillar or dashboard. Real-time alarms for overspeed, water temp, and low voltage ensure you're always aware. The GPS mode even gives satellite time, driving direction, and braking test results, making this the ultimate tool for precision and safety. Number 1. Electric Ratchet Wrench. Meet the WorkPro 45Nm cordless electric wrench, the powerhouse of this list. This 12V cordless tool delivers a max torque of 45 newtons per meter at 200 RPM, handling tough nuts and bolts like a pro. At only 1.29 kilograms, it's compact, easy to control, and ideal for tight spaces during car repairs or home projects. Choose from 1 or 2 battery configurations to match your workload. Whether you're removing screws, tightening bolts, or doing serious repair jobs, this wrench gets it done fast, clean, and without cords. Perfect for DIYers and pros alike. This is a tool you'll wonder how you lived without. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.